Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna do a half-day trip out to the Everglades, about 40 minutes outside the city of Miami. So gonna do a little boat trip, see some alligators hopefully, and go right into the swamp. Join me, it's gonna be fun. You can find many different tour operators at Everglades National Park. I did my experience with the Sawgrass Recreation Park. Check them out, I had a great time. Yes guys, we made it. We're at the Everglades National Park.
Alright, so my name is Nick. I work at Sawgrass Recreation Park. Here we are a rescue for alligators, crocodiles, caimans, and pretty much any other reptile. If you want to see a place where you can come, you can see animals that are being well taken care of, and they're not being wrestled for the entertainment of the public, but rather relaxing and living a comfortable life, feel free to come on down. Everybody, how's everybody doing today? Good? Yeah. All right, well, I do want to welcome you guys to Sawgrass. My name is Nick. That's my twin brother, Troy. We're going to be telling you guys a little bit about the animals that we have here. Now, we are a rescue facility. Each and every animal that we have here is a rescue one way or another. Some of these guys were people's pets they couldn't take care of, including this guy right here. So this is Zion, and over there we have banana pudding. That is. So these two snakes are constrictors. Constrictors are non-venomous snakes. If these were venomous snakes, you would not be holding them like this. I'll be bringing them out for you guys. That'd be very dangerous. Now, constrictors use their body to kill the prey. What they do is they give it the best hug it's ever had. They squeeze it from the outside. It can lead to strangulation, not being able to breathe, and crushing of the cardiovascular system. Now, you guys have nothing to worry about because these are small snakes. The only snakes that are capable of eating people have to be over 20 feet long. And I don't know if you guys saw our big constrictor we have over there. Her name is Lola. She's a reticulated python. So now, as you can see with this big guy, when I'm walking up to him, he is not running away. Yeah. He's not going down to hide. He's actually just keeping a close eye on me. Now he's slowly filling up his lungs full of air. You can see he's gently bringing his back up out of the water to show how impressive he really is. And again, this animal can launch out of the water at over 35 miles an hour with a single kick of his tail. Things were actually eating people, the traffic would be a lot better in Miami. Yeah. Clearly that's not the case. The truth is, alligators only eat people in two places. Fox and CNN. Not real life. Now the American alligator is naturally a small game hunter that doesn't like to go after things that are too big to fit in their mouth, because truth be told, there's not a lot of stuff down here that's running around like that. It's a lot of raccoons, possums, turtles, birds, fish, frogs, snakes, and smaller alligators. They are highly cannibalistic. They do eat each other. So if you guys decide to eat alligator today, don't feel guilty. They don't take it personal whatsoever. Now, us as humans, we do take cannibalism very personal. We have several laws surrounding this. Do not eat another human. I know it would help the housing market, but there's better ways to fix that.
Alright, so listen up. First things first. As you guys see, he already has tape on his mouth. It is the sticky side up, so there's no sticky residue left on the actual animal. Once we're done, we slip it off and we get these guys right back in the pool party. You guys can touch them anywhere except for their head. We'll be walking back and forth. We'll have 2 American alligators out for you guys. They're only 3 years old. So again, they're the offspring to Crystal and Cannibal. We'll be walking back and forth. Have your cameras ready. Be sure to rotate on out. As soon as you guys are done, there's hand sanitizer on each end. And again, thank you guys for listening to the presentations. All donations go right in the alligator's mouth in the middle. I have 2 hours shortly. Thank you, folks.
Hey guys, my name is Mike. I work here at Sawgrass Recreation Park. Come out here, check out the Everglades, see some wildlife and gators. Always a lot of fun, no matter what time of the year.
Let's go.
The wind, gonna take it away. Same thing with any loose item. Cell phones, cameras, and bags. If anything falls into the water, I'm very, very sorry. It's never gonna come back. If it's loose, you need to hold on to it. Engines are on. Please remain seated. Size, temperatures affect them kind of dramatic, reptiles. So when it's hot like this, every foot equals 1 hour. The gator's 4 feet. Days like today, it can stay down below on a single breath for 4 hours. When it's cold for this area is in the 50s and 40s. Some of you guys probably know. You want to double the time, it can be 8 hours long for that 4-foot alligator.
And that was my first ever airboat ride at the Everglades in Florida. If you liked the video, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.